Wow! Desirable villa in Peaceful Regency Park located inside the city of Inverness. Enjoy the Florida lifestyle and maintenance-free living in this meticulously maintained 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 1-car garage and unit that features wonderful natural light, a spacious kitchen, vaulted ceilings, appliances, plant shelving, pantry, master bedroom with walk-in closet, enclosed 12 by 10 porch, and more. Roof slated to be done this year. Conveniently located to downtown Inverness, Whispering Pines Park, shopping, schools, and medical facilities. Condo fees cover building maintenance, ground maintenance, water, trash, and sewer.